monitoring the Mayor Jean Stothers news conference, and she noted that some storms can be unpredictable. But our weather alert team has been predicting this storm for really a week or so.
Last week, they said they've been planning since last week.
I have a feeling they were watching us last week
yeah.
and said, "Uh-oh, Jim says we got a big storm headed our way."
Kind of stayed the same almost.
Yeah, it has. In fact, things haven't changed an awful lot. Here's a look at radar. It looks pretty ominous. A lot of this rain, though, and sprinkles are not reaching the ground, at least not in our area. However, as you head back out to the west, out toward Hastings, they are reporting moderate snow. Now, these are the advisories that are currently in effect. Blizzard warning in red, winter storm warning for Omaha, Council Bluffs, and Lincoln. That begins at midnight through 4 a.m. tomorrow night. Otherwise, off to the south, a winter weather advisory. In terms of storm impacts, heavy snow, the heaviest. It's only going to last about 6 hours, a good heavy snow, but we could conceivably pick up 8 inches in 6 hours, much like we did Christmas Eve morning. There's going to be more wind, though. Unlike Christmas Eve, where it came straight down, this is going to get blown around. There'll be whiteout conditions in the higher gusts, and travel will become difficult, especially as we head toward lunchtime. Here's the storm timeline. Maybe a trace in the area at midnight, a better chance late tonight, maybe as much as 3 inches on the ground. Don't be surprised if there's nothing because it may hold off between 6 and 7. I think by noon we'll probably have 8 on the ground. We'll wrap it up with another inch or 2 in the afternoon. Storm total should be around 10 here in the city. In terms of aerial coverage, fairly large area of 8 to 10. The southern edge of this drops very, very quickly. In fact, over a county, it could be a couple inches to as much as 8. The heaviest snow, basically along the Platte, running up toward Tacoma, 12 inches or more in this area, and there are 2 wild cards with this. One is thunder. That could increase amounts as we head toward 6 to about 9 a.m. tomorrow. There's also a pocket of some drier air moving in aloft that could also increase amounts. Threat tracker in the highest category for potential blizzard conditions. Moderate early Wednesday for dealing with some of that blowing snow. Outdoors right now, we stand at 37 degrees with a northeast wind. That is a storm direction right now, northeast at 10. Across the area, readings in the upper 30s and lower 40s. Satellite photography does indicate the precipitation out to the west. Again, moderate snow right now in Hastings. Look at that snow area all the way back into Colorado. Our models indicate that rain showers develop as we progress into the evening, around 10 o'clock. As we head toward midnight and beyond, some snow moving in. 6 a.m., heavy snow here. That continues throughout the morning. The dry air showing up over the southern part of the area. However, according to the model, that doesn't make it too far north. Forecast for tonight. 30 degrees, snow developing. Tomorrow, heavy snow, 6 a.m. to noon in Omaha, 8 to 10 inches. Threat tracker in the severe category. The balance of this forecast shows colder conditions moving in following the snow, but there is some moderation as we go toward the weekend with temperatures in the 30s. Don't forget,